boo, it is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, we are going to be busting it up, playing in some makeup. I wanted to do a really cute look for you. I really don't know what kind of look I want to do because, you know, it is Black History Month, okay? So it's like, I don't know if I want to do a little Black History and a little Valentine's Day. Like, I really don't know. So we are just going to just start busting it up. We're just going to get right into it, my boo. Child, my desk is a whole hot mess, but I just want to jump into some moisturizer just to moisturize my skin because my skin is a hot mess, honey. Oh, let me put something on my hair too. I definitely want to do something really cute today. You know what I'm saying? I want to do something cute and simple. Maybe we should represent Black History Month today. I mean, we definitely are in Black History Month, and you know, I love my Black History. You know, I just love my Black History. Shout out to all my people that fought for us. You understand what I'm saying? I feel like it's very important for us as Black people to understand, like, we really went through slavery. Like, we really came a long way, and even though we see a lot of craziness now in the world, it was worse. I know a lot of people know about the Harriet Tubman, the Rosa Parks, the Mary McLeod Bethunes. You feel what I'm saying? I know y'all know about those people, but and the Madam C.J. Walker, but Mary Turner is somebody too that is very important. She was actually lynched when she was like 8 or 9 months pregnant because this guy had got killed. I think it was in Georgia. Please look her up. But somebody got killed. I think it was a white man. He got killed, and they was just lynching. Instead of like finding out who really did it, they were just lynching all these people, all these Black people, and her husband was one of the people that was murdered. Well, she stood up and was going around saying that something needed to be done because they actually killed an innocent man. Like, you feel what I'm saying? So, child, I don't know if you ever heard what happened to her, but they lynched her. No, they tied her from her feet first. They tied her from her feet. When they tied her from her feet, they started like beating her. Then after that, they cut her baby because she was 9 months pregnant. They cut her baby open. Like, they just did some crazy stuff. I don't even want to get into it, but look it up as far as what they did to her child. And then they set her on fire, shot her up 100 times, like brutally murdered her for her standing up for her husband. So I just wanted to say that because, you know, I just think it's very important to know your knowledge, know your history. But yeah, I'm very grateful for my ancestors and what they had done for me or whatever, you know. Y'all, I love this brush. As y'all can see, I've been using this brush. It just gives such good good frame or whatever. I just love this brush. But yes, I'm very grateful for all that my people have done for me, okay? Because without them, I don't know where that would be. I'm gonna just take this and I'm gonna take a little bit of because I just like my highlights, so I kind of want to do like a soft glam, not too much of a glam, like something like chill. But yes, I'm definitely grateful and proud of my people and of how we are as people and the things that we have done so far, because back in those times it was very hard, very difficult. I love this month. This month is this is my favorite month because it's Black History Month, and I love celebrating Black History Month, and I also teach my kids and stuff like that about Black History Month because it's very important for your children to know where they come from. You need to be grateful for what you got. You know, you never know. And I always try to have my kids be very grateful for what they have. But I make sure my kids are very grateful for what they have and things like that, because I try to let them know a lot of people don't have what you guys have, so you have to be grateful. I tell them every day, make sure my kids is grateful, you know. As y'all can see, this is gonna be like a light beat, not too much. I might lighten my inner part up, but just a little bit, like right here. That's it. And I'm actually going to take a brush and kind of like blend this in like that. I don't want too much, but I want to like just blend this in lightly like that. All right, so now I'm about to bake real quick. But yeah, what else been going on? Nothing really has been going on. I've really just been working hard as usual. I've been juicing, taking care of my body, taking care of myself. Ever since I had the DVT, you know, because DVT is like inflammation. So as far as my, you know, my body, my health, I try my best to try to just, you know, instead of having to take like blood thinners and stuff like that for the rest of my life, I just try to, you know, eat turmeric, take my ginger shots, you know, detox. I just started really like eating meat like that. I really wasn't even eating meat like that. But, you know, once it got around the holidays in December, going into this year, I kind of like got back into like eating like, you know, meat or whatever. And I don't eat it often, but I just been like doing that. And also with my husband, you feel what I'm saying? Like both of us, we had both been like paying attention a lot with our health and what we eat and all those type of things. So I just think like that's just been the vibe that has just been important. I just feel like health is wealth, and exercising and all of that, that's all good, exercising, but also clearing your mind. It matters. It matters, baby. It definitely matters. You feel me? I'm gonna jump into this Juvia's Place. Since it's Black History Month, we might as well jump into a Juvia's Place palette. This is the Culture palette, and I'm just gonna take this and I'm just gonna dust this. And I just been in a really good peaceful state. Like once you remove everything that does not belong, it becomes more and more peaceful for you. I'm just saying, things that doesn't really serve me, you feel what I'm saying, just trying to remove all those things that don't really serve the kid. And I've been doing a good job at it, you know, and I'm just very grateful for God. I'm gonna jump into this Edu, and I'm gonna just keep that on my outer corner. Pigment is amazing on here, I'll tell you that. Come on now, Juvia's Place. But yup, that's just been the vibe. Peace, learning, getting this money, staying out the way. It's still giving a little patchy right here. Man, I'm gonna take a darker purple, so we're gonna jump into this Blackberry and the Tati palette, and I'm just gonna close this a little bit. All right, now I'm gonna touch of black. So now I just want to take another color from this Tati palette. It's called Twilight. It's more of like a fruity purple, this right here. And I just want to take this and kind of like just blend it in, just right in like that, you know what I'm saying? And now I'm going to take Tati's, like a lilac, this color right here, real quick, and I'm just going to tap that right over my eye. I still kind of went like a little I still gave it soft in Valentine's Day. I don't know, that purple was calling me though. I'm sorry, I got quiet blues. I just tried to make sure that I'm doing this right. So now since I have these eyes down, I just want to take, I just want to touch that purple over top of that blue. That looking really cute. There you go. My powder is like sinking in, y'all. That's how long I done had it on there. I do want a little bit of glitter. I want to take just a little glitter, just a little bit. And I want to go back into this Culture palette. I want to try the Yoruba, this right here. I just like the way that looks. That just looks so nice. That looks pretty. Can you really see that? It's like a blue hint. Like, that looks so gorgeous. That looks so pretty. Alright, so I don't know. Now I'm trying to figure out what else I'm gonna do. While I'm trying to figure that out, let me just hurry up. Put some blush. I'm gonna put a little bit of the Juvia's Place. We still keeping it Black History Month, you know. The LYS, you know, black. Okay. Yeah. I like that, but that's just too, it's just giving too dark. I mean, too light. It's not dark enough. Like, oh, I can't. I want to use this pencil from Fenty, but it's hard to sharpen. Maybe it should come with a sharpener. I need to get a better sharpener for like the plastic. It's really hard when you try to sharpen with the plastic one. Always trust the process. I'm just taking this and doing this under here. So let me dust the rest of whatever's off my face off. I know y'all see like, what's she gonna do with the lips? I got you. Let me do my first setting spray with the NYX. This is the Face Glue setting spray. Now y'all see I haven't did my eyelashes. I just been liking no lashes lately. And to keep it a bean, I'm not doing no lashes. I mean, I know y'all probably like, just put a lash on, but I don't really want to do a lash. Okay, I know I need to do my eyebrows. Like when I want to bleach my eyebrows, this is how I bleach them. Like, why mess up my brows again when I can just cover them up with concealer? Okay, I really like this so much. I haven't used my Petunia, and I love using my Petunia. I miss using my Petunia by Tiana Teller. It's a MAC, and I just feel like, why not? I just love this. Look how that do. Look how that do. Look how that do. I just love this Petunia. I'm not putting on no lashes. I love the way this look. I am though going to put on a little bit more. If I can find it, I do want to put a little bit more blush and then spray. And who needs lashes all the time? You do not need lashes. Like, look at this. Look what it's giving. So my boo, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, do not forget to smash that like button. Leave me a comment down below, my boo. You feel what I'm saying? Also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, my boo. Hit the notification bell button because you do not want to miss my upcoming videos. So with that being said, my boo, I love you so much. Happy Black History Month. You know what I mean? Black History Month makeup videos is coming soon. You dig me? But this is the final look. I love you so much, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Oh yeah, I bust right on in because I forgot to tell you, don't you forget to keep God first. Oh, you thought I was gonna forget? Oh, Mwah. Peace.